a very desirable home with an Aruba floor plan. The charming kitchen shows very well with upgraded cabinets and granite. Glass sliding doors lead to a lovely lanai with an in-ground swimming pool. The yard is very private. This open floor plan has a large bright master bedroom leading to 2 walk-in closets, large master bathroom with upgrades. 2 bedrooms and large den could be 3 bedrooms. The guest bedroom has a bathroom next to it. All this in an adult community boasting one of the largest, most well-equipped clubhouses with indoor/outdoor pool, spa and sauna, tennis, bocce, pickleball and a great fitness building. Donâ? Forget dance floor and stage. Estero is close to everything: beaches, shopping, restaurants, new medical center and the airport. All this at an affordable price.